cockroaches in the house. I think. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go here to the Volusia County flea market. See what kind of good stuff we can get on a fine day. Maybe some wrestling figures, maybe some coins, some records, plates. Might find a wife.
Right behind this red truck on the inside over there.
Still got the squeeze of cheese.
First thing in the morning, change the light. Every eat it. Yeah, you can chew it up, taste it with a little water, orange juice. Put it in your smoothie, protein shake, yogurt, cereal, bodybuilders put it in your salad before they go work out.
Probably build a house with it.
It's escalated.
Yeah. There's a spot over, where's that? On like Route 40 up the road. It's got like a yard art place. They were selling these big tubs of them, I think, for like 15 bucks. And then all of a sudden, as soon as that sneeze came in, they jumped it up to like 20 bucks. Yeah. Have a good day. That sneeze made everything go up. Even made blood pressure go up a little bit. Woo! Yeah. Right, Chili Willie here in Volusia.
I know. I recognize him.
Ooh, look at this. Huh?
Tapioca.
Oh, it's a cassava?
What's the boba made from?
Ooh,
Cassava.
that's a good breakfast. Did you go picking all these yourself?
Oh, most of them. I have an apple orchard in Wisconsin.
Anybody in the family named Johnny?
One of my brothers.
There you go, man, Appleseed guy. Oh, yeah. Look awful nice. Ooh. Egg rolls. Sam Sosa chicken. How are you this morning?
Okay, how are you?
Pretty good. A little chilly.
Yeah.
I was saying a little bit ago, it's like a good day to fly a kite. Yeah, right. Woo. Hope you have a good morning. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Oh, yeah. See, everybody treats you like a dog. Ooh, look at that. Put it on a grill tonight. Shout out to the shrimp guy.
How much are these ones? 25. We take cards.
Don't ever let anyone. What's up, B Bud? How you doing? How you doing this morning?
Doing great.
Good, man. How's the wildflower been treating you?
Good.
I haven't got stung for a while, man. Last time I got stung, right outside my bottom of my lip, boy, that thing kept swollen up for about 2.5 weeks. I'm about ready to die. Yeah.
Are you the one that has your own hide or something?
I do have my yard to the jobs.
Okay, be right here.
More dogs. Yo, no Pesco, me Pescan. I think it says like no cockroaches in the house. I think.
Look, which is your biggest toe?
Made in. Oh, that's even got a thing in the bottom. Look, got a little thing in the bottom of it. You can put an air pump. Maybe you pump it up. How about that? There we go, the deep ones. Super deep. Yeah.
I got about 100 we don't have out.
I was just looking at that.
Oh.
Taking some of the
How you guys doing this morning?
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all good. Cat games. Yum, yum. Look at my eyebrows.
It's warm enough, so.
La Roche Pose sunscreen. Hot boiled peanuts. Uh-oh, got life-size Seth Rollins here. Wrestlers. Hollywood Hogan here. 2005. I was wondering what happened to the wrestlers once they got off TV. Now I know.
I have no idea. Some little things fell, so I put it in that. Okay. They were just like cards.
Let's see how Punk here.
You're welcome.
2010. It's hurting a little bit. Got some hair. I'm gonna throw him, alright. Got 2 for 10. You gotta keep digging. Gotta figure it out. Lay down at the bottom like that. Feed me more. There's Al Snow. What does everybody want? 1996 Jacks. Hands are hurting. Further down you get to get. Keep scrolling. Brian. Even JBL with his fake body. Look at the fake JBL. It looked like he put his head on somebody. 90s. It's the Attitude Era stuff. 2003. That's it right there. There's the man. You know that guy, right? Boogeyman? No, Boogeyman.
The classic.
Man, he coming to get you.
The classic one.
Yeah, I met that guy down in Winston-Salem over Thanksgiving weekend.
Did you really?
Yeah, he's one cool guy. He's got he runs like a cardio shop up in Colorado where he's just nothing but core stuff all day long. He's still got his body's still good and everything like that. Yeah,
he was super cool. He freaked the kids out when you were younger.
Yeah, especially when you come with the shaker of like
I had some bought some wrestlers
smoke.
a while back, the old school, you know, the rubber ones, the Hacksaw Jim Duggins and shit.
Yeah,
The Hulksters.
yeah.
Awesome.
I was just thinking about that. The bendy ones are really collectible
I got a
ones.
couple of them. I got some neat ones, some Andre the Giant stuff. Kids loved it, and now they're like, I get rid of it.
It's a red and black Sting.
Bandit toys, man, it's the worst.
Right?
But you get bundled up.
Get a little deal. So I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find a couple of them and throw them together. I'm going to take Boogie, and I'm going to take that CM
Punk?
from 10 years ago. Figure that's, at least for a couple more weeks, he's a hot item.
I found a Mr. Perfect the other day, too.
Wow.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah.
That was kind of edge, and you got good ones. I always look for the honky tonk, man.
I like the honky tonk, man.
They mass produced, like I said, John Cena. Oh shit, it was Chris Jericho with the long hair.
Yeah, it was like a 2000, I think. It was no, 2010. So that was his throwback one, yeah.
And you got Daniel Bryan at the top.
Alberto, yeah, all kinds of guys, man.
He's got some cool ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like I said, bundle them together.
Who knows? Just keep looking.
Yeah, man.
You need some help?
Careful, go around. Go
for it, yes, sir.
Yeah, man, I appreciate that. All right.
Good luck on your treasure hunting, bro.
Another one of those. Yeah, DDP supposed to work, doesn't work. Stone Cold. There's Road Dog. Yeah, these have been picked through like 15,000 times. Yeah, I've already found the Boogeyman, right? We got the Boogeyman. The Boogie arms are kind of hurting, but I'll never forget. Put the Boogie back. We got the CM Punk. Yeah, our truth. There's Jax. I think Jax is craps.
Of course they would. Ain't gonna get remote control, so you plug it in and they be fighting over that.
Got more. A few more versions of Randy Orton. Like Triple H. Look at him. I don't know if this is supposed to be Ric Flair or not.
If only I knew.
Got an RF on it. It's missing the thing. Alright. I think these two guys. Is there anything I'm missing? Hey, I've got the two wrestling guys here.
Okay.
So I think it was 2 for 10.
Yeah.
I believe I got a $10 bill here.
That's perfect. Thank you so
Cool.
much. Have a wonderful day.
Right back at you.
Yes, sir.
Another one of them dogs. Alright, so I was able to score those two wrestling guys. You got the time, huh? You got all kinds of time.
Yeah, someone else had it.
Yeah. They say if you know how to tell time, you could be able to get anywhere. Old man just said, look at the sun. Some skeleton keys too. How much you got on the keys?
$2 each.
One more time?
$2 each.
All right, thank you very much. Yeah, Dale. Dale's everywhere. I don't think Dale will ever die. $2 for those keys, that's interesting. Earrings, well, I gotta get my ears pierced for one of that.
honey.
Oh, look at this killer. Oh, look at this killer little dog. Look at that there, macho dog. Oh, how are you? Yeah, you weigh half a pound.
3.5 pounds.
3 point, whoa, killer.
Killer dog.
Killer dog. Dogs everywhere.